In Birka, we know quite much about the decoration on the top. We know much more in general about the decoration on the top and the seams around here because of this, because of those. And in Birka, there's found an interesting thing, many interesting things, I think. I made this band, and that is found on the top of the apron dress. And it is decorative, of course, but it also have a function. If this was thin fabric, it will keep it tied around the breast, which is important if you shall keep your jewels in place. Then you almost, if you have many pearls and many jewels, it's quite heavy. It can be quite heavy. And then the apron dress cannot be white. And to avoid it to be white, you can put this on top. Of course, the tablet weaving is also a thing. And here I will use both. I made this for Bella. Here, you see. And if you do this is a quite simple band actually. Here I turn all the tablets together, not individual, but I turn them forward and back, as you can see here. And because I have the measurement of my customer, I can also make the pattern so it match the dress. So you see, it's symmetric about the side. I made a center here and a center on the back. It's just a little thing. So I will sew this one on first. And then again, it's just overcast on the top of it. With the threads, the right thread. I always had the start and the beginning under here, why you don't see it so much. And it is really on the top of the dress. Where they are in the beginning, you have to put them on top of each other. And sort of simulate the band. And to make sure it stays there, I go through the band a couple of times, just to make sure it's staying there. So this place where they are is a little fragile. So to make sure it stays there, I fix them there and there. Just a few stitches through the sole, as we call it. We call it, this one, a thread with a sole. It's a little similar to what is used in those amazing brocaded silver and gold tablet woven band, where the silver is also silk yarn in the middle, and then there's gold and silver around it, around the sole. The silk is the sole. The sole of silk, not band. It's Must be a nice one. So now it is started at least. So I'll just make sure to that it is in the right position. This is one of the things I like so much about the Viking design. It don't have to have a lot of decoration to be beautiful. This would be more than enough, wouldn't it? They have a good taste, I think. Of course, some of it is Porsche and Lamborghini and everything on one. But I personally prefer those that are not so extremely decorated. Even the craft in those decorations are amazing and time consuming. This little band on top took me 3 hours to make. Crazy. But I think it's worth it. It's nice. So now it's just to add it. All the way around. See you.